You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this electro music band or group. If you want to learn more music celebrities, stay tuned. German they are originally, so we need to hear at least the German pronunciation and how you can say it in English. Keinemusik is how it's pronounced. Keine Musik. So the S is pronounced like a Z, and Musik. So it's not kind of music or kind of music. Keinemusik is how it's pronounced in English. You can use the pronunciation Keinemusik. It's easy. Keinemusik, not keine music. Keinemusik. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.